Welcome to this meditation where we are going to focus on believing and becoming a brand new you. Whether this is your first time meditating or you are a long time meditation pro, you have chosen to do a good thing today. Let's begin together. We are going to tune in to the you that you want to create before we're done today. I want to invite you to understand that meditation is simply about being aware. Nothing more, nothing less. Thoughts will come into your mind as we go along. It's okay. Watch them like clouds in the skies. They come in, allow them to come. Don't resist. Don't fight them. Just let them come and let them go. Watch them like a cloud passing over in the sky. Let's begin together now. I want to invite you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in now through your nostrils with me. Breathe in. Hold it at the top. Now let it out through your mouth slowly. Don't force it. Just let your breath fall out. Okay, again, let's breathe in. Hold it at the top. And just let it fall out through your mouth. One more time, in through the nostrils. And out through your mouth. Great. Can you now become aware of the space between your temples? Shift your awareness there. Shift your focus there. And just imagine the darkness of space between your temples. Where your awareness goes, your energy will flow. Do you feel the empty space between your temples? The blackness of space between your temples? Good. We are going to move down the energy centers in your body. Let's move together. Imagine with me now the empty space in your throat. Can you sense the volume of empty space in your throat? Can you imagine the emptiness of space in your throat? Can you feel the energy of space around your head and around your throat? You are connected to the field. You are connecting to the consciousness of all that is. Go down deeper with me. And can you sense the emptiness of space inside your chest? Visualize the blackness and infinite darkness of space inside your chest. Now I invite you to feel the darkness and the vastness and the infinite space beyond your chest, beyond your shoulders, beyond your back, beyond your arms, beyond your torso, beyond your body. Can you imagine the darkness, the emptiness of space inside your belly, behind your navel? Can you feel the emptiness, the vastness of space beyond your back, beyond your sides, beyond your stomach? Can you feel your connection with all that is, all that exists, all that is consciousness? Let's go deeper down. Can you imagine the vastness, the darkness, the emptiness of space inside your hips, inside your groin area, around your hips and groin? Can you feel the vastness of the eternal field? You are connected with that great consciousness throughout your body. Imagine the energy flowing in and flowing out. Can you imagine the emptiness of space as it flows down through your legs, through your thighs, through your knees, through your shins, and all the way to your feet? If you are seated or if you are standing, can you feel the flow of the vastness of space, of energy, of all that exists through your entire body? Now we are going to take a journey together. Imagine that your body is disintegrating. It is vaporizing into the vastness, the darkness, the infinite nature of space, of all that is where consciousness exists. You are dematerializing into just consciousness, just your awareness. Imagine that consciousness is expanding and growing outward and outward and outward from the room you are in, from the place that you are in, from the town that you are in, from the state you are in, or region or province or country now that you are in, the world you are in. And now you are in the vastness and darkness of space. You are moving forward and outward and upward and downward. You are consciousness. And you are expanding all that is. You are part of all that is reality, all that is consciousness. And it is part of you. If thoughts come, remember, let them come like clouds in the sky. Watch them enter and then watch them go by. Don't resist, don't fight. Just enjoy this moment where there is no time. There is no physical reality. There is no demand. There is no deadline. There is just you, your consciousness, and the consciousness of Source, the consciousness of God, and the consciousness of all who exist. You are in the field. Now, what is that reality you want to create? What is that life you want to live? All reality is happening all at once, all the time. You and you alone get to choose the reality, the dimension that you want to experience. Choose that reality. Choose that dimension now. Choose that life. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Whatever that reality is for you, what would it be like to live it right now? What would you be doing right now as you live the reality you want to create? Where would you be? What does it smell like around you? Can you feel the ground below your feet in your new reality? Can you sense the feelings that you would feel if your reality were true right now? How do you feel? Are you at peace? Are you grateful? Are you happy? Are you calm? Feel that feeling that rises up in you as you think about your new reality. Your subconscious, the real you, knows only what you program it to know. Tell it now these two simple words: I am. I am living my new reality. I am feeling my new reality. I am grateful for my new reality. Sit with it. Stay with it. Your thoughts send your intentions into the field, into the universe. And that emotion, that feeling of gratitude, of peace, of love, of joy, of satisfaction, of bliss, draws your reality from that other dimension back to you like a magnet. Do you feel it coming to you? Are you in the reality now that you've wanted to live for so long? It's your destiny. It's what you were made to be. That desire is in you because it is you. It's who you are. Embrace it. Let it flow. Feel it. You are there, and it is here. Are you ready to make that reality your new reality? Are you ready to let go of the old you and become the new you? The key is right here, right now. You aren't going to do it. You are doing it. You are sending the signal out into the universe, out into the field right now. You are attracting the new you, back to yourself right now. Do you feel the bliss of that? Do you feel the joy of that? Do you feel the gratitude for that? Gratitude, my friend, is a completed emotion. We only feel gratitude when something is done. When you tell your mind, your subconscious, I'm grateful that my new reality is here. It has to comply. It has to believe it. It has to accept it. And it will set you on the journey to make it so. Accept it. Believe it. Feel it. It is yours. Are you ready to travel back to a whole new you? Travel with me from the farthest reaches of space back to our local corner of the universe, back to planet Earth, back to your nation, back to your country, back to your state or your province, back to your city or town, back to your neighborhood, back to the place you are right now, back to your new body, your new spirit, your new soul, your new you. When you open your eyes today, you will not be the same person you were when you closed them a few moments ago. You've created a new reality, and now you get to walk in that reality all day long. When you open your eyes in a moment, carry this feeling, this experience of this new you with you throughout your day. When you open your eyes in a moment, allow yourself to live in your new reality, and you will attract it to yourself. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. You can come back to a brand new you, to a brand new self, to a brand new destiny, the destiny that has been marked out for you throughout all eternity. You have taken steps today to move into that destiny. It is yours. Be at peace, be in joy, and have gratitude, because you are the new you.